The way that we're incentivizing entrepreneurial thinking is really through incentivizing creativity and inquiry. We want our students to try to answer unanswerable questions and solve unsolvable problems, either through asking them those sorts of questions or, better yet, giving them the opportunity themselves to identify what questions or issues are relevant to them and to society around them. I think they have to have a degree of empathy to do that, to see not just what's relevant and important to them, but what's relevant and important to their community and to the greater world.
And I think it's also really important for people to see that it's not someone outside of school coming in, it's also someone who you're sitting next to in math class or science class, and they're having a great time doing something they're very passionate about and a project that they really feel strongly needs to be continued throughout their school.
If you go into a classroom and you watch a group of students, it doesn't matter if they're 5 years old or 18 years old and ready to walk out the door. If you walk into a classroom and you give students the opportunity to identify the issue or the problem that they want to solve and then step back and turn it over to them, you see smiles and excitement and ingenuity and ownership of the process. But you can see it on their face, you can hear it in their voice. Learning becomes joyful. And you're going to see them get halfway done and figure out something doesn't work and not get upset about it at all. Start taking it apart and putting it back together in a different way. That's the kind of learning that we want to see happen on a daily basis.
If students are trained to think only about grades and only about perfection and only about getting it right on the first time, we're not preparing them for university thinking, we're not preparing them for the workplace, we're not preparing them for the world in which we live. So I think it's important that they build that mindset in order to help them be flexible, be adaptable in the real world, be able to tackle whatever problems come their way.